Hey YouTube, how's it going? I am making this video because I just built my first ever gaming PC. So I have the PC built up, it's running behind me right here. I've downloaded a few games, and now I want to talk to my friends. So how am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to open this headset right here. It's called the Arctis 7. It's an award-winning wireless gaming headset. It's made by SteelSeries, and I'm assuming they are a pretty good brand because this was not the cheapest headset. It was like $138 on Amazon, I think. So not the cheapest, but I heard that it's a really good headset from a good friend of mine. And yeah, I'm excited to try it out and use it. So let's get to it. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to start unboxing this. I got a pair of scissors. I think that's all I'm going to really need. So, let's see. I really like this box. I think the art is really cool. Yeah, I just really like art. So, that definitely makes this purchase appealing. Alright, so there's just two taped up sections on the top and the bottom. So it looks like I can just lift the box up. So we'll do that. Cool, even more art. This is cool. You could make a some kind of collage with this or something. I could hang it up like right here. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna hold on to this. Alright, I'm just gonna put this on the ground now. Alright, so here's what we got inside. We got the headset. Surrounded by plastic. So I'm gonna lift the plastic off now. And doesn't seem like a lot of wiring in here. I mean, the headset is wireless, so that makes sense. Alright. So this is the headset. I really like the feel for it, really slick and clean. I guess if those are words to describe a wireless headset, you know, I'm not like a headset expert or anything. So I'm just gonna show off the headset now. Yeah, so there seems to be like a volume adjuster here on the back. It's pretty nice. This is a really nice headset. I mean, this is my first one I've ever purchased for gaming PC purposes, so I really like it. We got some connectors back here, one for like a headphone jack, one it looks like micro USB, and then there's another one here that I'm not really sure about. Power buttons right here, and feels good when you put it on. Oh yeah, that's cool. So right here is the mic. That's pretty badass. You can really adjust it to like wherever you want, and it feels good. It's extremely comfortable, and I feel like I could just kind of go through life wearing this, you know, just go through life in public and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the rest of the box. If you uncover this plastic section right here, you have a little accessories box. So I'm gonna pause the video, and then I'm gonna restart it and open this up. Okay, so we got sort of like a manual right here. Put that over there. Cool little emoji art. This is cool. This is just like kind of customer service. And then here we got the wires. So this is, I'm not really sure what this is right here. I'm not a headphone expert again. I'm assuming this is just the connector. So here's a USB. I think this just connects the headset to charge into the computer. So I'm gonna leave this right here. I'm not gonna unwrap everything now. Here is another cable. It's another USB with a micro USB connector on it right here. And then there's another cable in here. So let's see what this is. Oh, this looks like it goes into the headphone jack. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out how to connect this together, but overall it's a pretty comfortable headset. Maybe I'll make a review. I'm not sure. I don't really have proper vernacular to describe a lot of, you know, computer technology, but I'm learning. So yeah. Pretty happy with this investment so far. I'm going to try it out. I just downloaded Fallout 4, so that's going to be my first game of choice with the headset. So that should be pretty exciting. Anyways, if you clicked on this video, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.